Hi, I'm Tina Teneriello and I'm a workshop educator with Hands-On Media Education. We're a nonprofit organization that delivers media and digital literacy workshops and resources to students and teachers across Canada. The pandemic has been difficult for us all. That's why we wanted to create a new digital storytelling workshop to give students the opportunity to share their personal stories about the impacts they felt during COVID-19 and what has helped them through it. In this 6-week virtual workshop, students will create their very own short films about who they are, how the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted their lives, the challenges they've overcome, the tools they've used to survive, and what they're hopeful for in a post-pandemic world. The workshop format is very easy and flexible for teachers. Every week for 6 weeks, you'll receive a newsletter with a video from me with the week's lesson, along with any resources you may need. You'll also have the opportunity to book a live 15-minute meeting weekly with me or another media educator, where we'll go over the week lesson and answer any questions your students may have. Each student will create their very own film. They'll write a storyboard, they'll record their voices, they'll choose pictures to complement their narration, they'll add music to set the mood for their film, add a title, add credits, and the workshop will end with a film festival to celebrate everyone's hard work. Storytelling has proven to be a very powerful tool for students while they learn critical digital and media literacy skills, which are so important today as we see an increase in online use, misinformation, and polarization. As part of the workshop, students will learn photography composition, the ethics of representation, copyright issues when using digital images and music, storytelling using video editing software, and permissions. Our digital storytelling series is a great transdisciplinary project that hits many digital competencies and allows students to engage with multiple competencies across the curriculum, including English language arts, media studies, media literacy, and art education. Place is limited, so register at the link below. We're also going to be holding an information session for teachers, so visit that link to get all the information you need. I'm really looking forward to working with you and your students.